In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the sender name in DocuSign. First, head over to the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open your profile or account settings. This is where DocuSign stores the personal details tied to your user account, including the name that can appear when you send envelopes. From there, go to Personal Information. In this section, look for the Name area and choose Edit. You can now enter the new first and last name you want to appear as the sender. Make sure you type the name exactly as you want recipients to see it, since this can affect how your email notifications and sent envelopes appear. When you're done, save your profile changes so the update is applied to your account. After updating your name, create a new envelope by selecting Start or Send an envelope. Upload the document you want to send, then add the recipients along with their email addresses. Once that's done, prepare the document as usual and select Send. It's important to understand how DocuSign uses this information. The envelope will use the name associated with the DocuSign user account that prepares or sends the envelope. In other words, the sender name comes directly from that user's profile. So if you've updated your profile name correctly, that is the name recipients should see in the sender information. If your goal is to change the company or account name shown in notifications, that works a little differently. In that case, an account administrator needs to go to Account Profile and edit the account name there. Keep in mind that the account name is a global setting for the DocuSign account, so changes made there can affect the broader account experience, rather than just one individual sender. Also, if you need envelopes to appear as though they were sent by a different user, the better approach is to use the appropriate custody transfer configuration when that option is available. That's generally more accurate and more reliable than changing an individual sender's profile, just to influence how an envelope appears. As a final check, send a test envelope and verify that the sender name appears correctly in the recipient's email notification. This is a simple way to confirm that your changes worked before sending important documents to real recipients. Thanks for watching.